Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training, and we're continuing on with our structural model project that we've been working on. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Today we're going to look at elevations, views, and details for this model that we've built. We've been working on for the past few days. There it is. So what we want to do here, we've got our second floor done here, and we want to create some section views or elevation views. So elevation views basically, we can pick it up from here, from this north elevation view. We can double click this, and or we can go to our project browser and pick up our elevation views. Sorry guys. So I just go in project browser here, and we'll go in. That's north, and there's that view. So that's how you would get your elevation views. It's pretty basic, but in structure you do have that, but it's more of an architectural feature. And now we're gonna go and look at section views. So we'll go into our second floor level, and we have we've laid out all of our beams and our floor and everything here. So to create a section view, they just basically select here, and you just draw a section. Say place a point here, and now I can take this down, and I drag this down, and I can place it there. Okay, say if I place that, then I got these flip arrows where I can look in this direction, and these are my view extents. So I say I want to look from here to here. That's basically where the view extents are. And of course, I'm sure we've run through this before. And then if I double click this, there's a section of that wall. But normally we would probably be looking at something more. Okay, we would probably need a section there, but I think we would need something longitudinal section, say going all the way across. So that would just entail just saying, just do another section, and say from here to here. That would be our section, and there's our stints. So that line basically says how far we're going to look. So say, okay, it's basically defaulting there. So let's see what that looks like. That's that view. Let's stick it and shade it so we can actually see what's going on here. Okay, so it's basically showing you everything, because you're looking past that view, basically. You know what I mean. Basically what happens is you're looking all the way out there. So say if I drag this in and then have another look, you see what happens here. You don't stuff is cut off. You got the walls are here and here cut off, and that's basically because the view extents that you're looking at in that view. Okay, so now I'm going to move on from that. So back into our roof level. So we've got a section here and a section here. Now, these can also be flipped, so I might want to take this and flip it and see the other side. And the same with this. I can just flip it and see what's going on here. Should be, yeah, there's an opening there. And normally this is structure, they normally work in core, so that's basically what's happening in that view. So you can do a lot of things with sections. So now I'm going to move on from that. So we got sections, views. So okay, and other thing now, we want to flip this and look in this view. Okay, now go back to that plan view, and we'll see the view extents. We're picking everything up, of course. But we can also segment this. So let me see what this looks like. Click here. Okay, we're seeing throughout, so that's a good thing. So go back. So I'm going to show you something here right quick. If I can go back to the second floor. This section view here, we can flip this guy. If you want to flip in this direction. And what happens, we got here, say we're going to see this distance here in that direction. I'm going to open this view. And as you can see, we got a lot of cuts and openings here. It's basically based on the zoom instance from that view. But if you want to see more, let's go back to our second level, our second floor. You can actually take this and select it, and we can do a split segment. And we can go along here and just say select right here, for instance. Select the point here. Uh-oh. Cancel, sorry guys. I'm going to select this. Okay. Let me select this guy, and I should put a split segment here. And this little, oh, I'm sorry, you select this here on this line. So I want to select it right about here. And I want to drag this, say to there. So I can see all of this only, or wherever I want to adjust that to. So sorry about that. Brain fart. Yeah, see, that's basically what I want to see. You want to see, you can segment that view with that section mark, which is, so that's another thing you can do, a section cut. So now, but more in structural, we look at other views, like for instance, let's go look at our view and look at elevation here. And under elevation, you have what you call a framing view. So framing view is basically looking at the wall from the interior. You know what I mean? So basically, you can place one here, and you can place one along here, all through the inside, because basically what you want to see is the engineer wants, or you want to see what the wall looks like. So you can have several elevations here, and they basically work the same way as sections. So say if I'm here, I want to open this one. That's the view of that wall. Very simple and straightforward. So then I want to come out of this now. I want you to look at, so we've got section view, segmented section, and framing elevation. So you need framing elevations throughout this project. Okay, so now we're going to look at another section. This is going to be a wall section. So here in the properties tab, you got it's set to wall section, but here you need to have. Let me just check this and see if this is set at builder section. I'm sorry. Correct this. Cancel this. Should be able to do this. Wall section. That should be builder section. My bad. I want to see how much of a difference that makes, because I don't want to have to make another video. I think we're good. But normally what we should have had was a wall section. So I'm going to go back here into that section view, that second floor, and we're going to go and do a section here, right there. And that's going to be my wall section. And we're going to have several throughout the project. So if I double click that, that's the section of the wall. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We're going to continue with this. We make this fine view and shade. We're going to continue on with this, and I'll see you in the next video. So everybody be safe and please subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye.